Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to make two objects collide with each other in Godot game engine, or how to know to when two objects collide with each other. So first, like I have just created one Godot project, and here I have few assets. You don't require these assets, you can use whatever image you feel like. So what I'll do is I'll just create one 2D scene, and here I'll just add sprite 2D just for as a background for the image, for our scene, sorry, not image, for our scene. And here inside the assets I'll just add one background image, so I'll just drag and drop over here, just make it like this. So here is our background. So sorry, this is the root scene, so I'll just name it as game, and I'll quickly run this. So this is selected as the root scene. Now I will create two objects. So first one, 2D scene again, not 2D scene, sorry, I'll just remove this, don't save. I need an area 2D to detect object detection. So there are different types of things which can do object detection. I'm keeping things simple. I'll take both the objects as area 2D. So this is our first object, which I'll take as area 2D. Now this requires a sprite 2D, which I will take, and it also requires a collision shape 2D. So for sprite 2D, again I'll just drag and drop this image over here. Now I'll just zoom in a little bit, and for collision shape I'll just take capsule shape, and I will just rotate it by 90 degrees. Yeah, okay. Then I'll just add this collision shape to it. Command S. Okay, wait, before I save it, I'll just name this as paddle. Okay, I'll command S to save it, and I'll click on save. Okay, so this is saved. Then I'll create one more object, sorry. So I'll just name it, I'll again create new scene, search for area 2D, and again I'll just take a sprite 2D, and inside area 2D I'll just take a collision shape 2D, and inside sprite 2D I will just drag and drop this particular gem. So here you can see, you should be able to see this gem. And for collision shape, I think a square should work. Will it? I'm not really sure. Do we have a square? Yeah, I'll just take a rectangle then again I'll just transform 45 degrees. Yeah, so not this. I'll just select collision shape, and I'll just drag and drop it over here, move it over here. Yeah, so something like this. Again I'll just do okay, before I save it, I'll just name this as gem. Command S to save gem. Then I'll just go to our game, and this is the visible part. If you see this blue color thing, this is the visible part. So I will just add I'll just go to, sorry, I'll just select our node 2D, and then I'll just add this paddle which is there, and I will just drag and drop it somewhere over here, and we'll also add our gem. So once so here is our gem, and I'll just move it along the same line as that of paddle. Now once this gem collides with our paddle, I want to destroy it. So I'll just go to our gem. Here is our gem. I'll attach one script to this. I'll click on create, and here is our gem, right? So if you go to this particular so just select our gem and just click on area entered. I'll click on connect. So once it collides with anything, we want to destroy it. So in our case it is just a paddle, but in your case it could be more things. So I will just do q free. I'll do command S. Let's run it. Hopefully this works. Okay, and now our gem is not moving, so we need to move our gem as well. So for that, what I can do is, so for that I just need to add this process function which is already present inside GD script for every scene. So here you can see, and then we can just do position dot y plus equal to 100 multiplied by delta, and I'll just run this. Hopefully this should work, and here our gem is falling. As soon as it collides, it gets destroyed. So yeah, that's how you can detect object collision between two objects. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.